Because from what I have understood, what is probably the most important feeling that a patient or someone who is interested in any kind of surgery, selective surgery like hair restoration, wants to, or at least should want to feel, is to feel safety, to feel certain that he will have the result that he's expecting. The point is that this patient can be tricked into believing that he feels safe because someone is pressing some buttons on in his brain
Indeed.
while you come and say, no, forget about this. This is the way to be safe, not to feel safe, to be safe. So this is why I believe that what you're doing is extremely important for patient safety and for helping to clear the field.
It kind of dumbs down the noise, definitely. You make a really valid point there. Like, I don't think I've ever witnessed a celebrity, if I have, there's a few of them that go out all singing and dancing, claiming they've had a hair transplant. The reason they do that is to more intents and purposes, get a free hair transplant. I don't think I've ever seen one with a really, really good positive result. And that speaks volumes, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, patients do need to be aware that just because a celebrity has said he's been somewhere, in actual fact, that should be a red flag to avoid that particular clinic.